An internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got...
Hey guys, what's up? In alignment with the month of July and the back to school season, today we're going to do a What's in My Bag haul incomplete edition. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we get started sa laman ng bag ko, let's have a short introduction first. So this school year, I am an incoming grade 12 ABM student. And as said, I am taking this strand ABM consisting of accountancy, business, and management. So, ayun. So, itong bag ko na to, this is from Kose, however you read it. This is my second year of using this kasi bago pa to. Recently lang ako nagpalit, which was last school year when I was grade 11. So, ayan. This has 3 compartments. Meron dito, and then meron ditong sa middle part, and then dito sa likod. So, first, let's start here sa pinakababa. Feeling ko, malalaman nyo kung ano yung favorite color ko kapag ka napanood nyo hanggang dulo nito. So, ayan. Let's open this. Kasi dito sa parang may lock siya. So, ayan. Tiyan, it's opened. Unlock lang natin siya. So, ayan. Konti lang yung laman netong baba actually. Pero, yeah. First is we have this mini essential kit. Pakita ko sa inyo yung laman niya. So, ang laman nito is yung aking mga essentials. And dito ko lang siya nilagay sa pinakabungad para madaling kunan. So, dito sa pinakamaliit na compartment, I have 2 products. First, I have my lip balm. This is from Lux Organics. And naghahanap talaga ako ng lip balm na naka-tube yung packaging niya and hindi siya mabigat sa lips, hindi thick yung consistency niya, and something similar dun sa Vaseline kasi nagustuhan ko talaga yung Vaseline. So I'm really thankful na nakita ko tong product na to. I think it's available now sa mga Watsons and sa mga SM department store as well. And then last, I have this acne spot corrector from Celetec. Part to na skincare pero nilalagay ko siya dito kasi kahit anong bag yung dalhin ko, dala-dala ko tong pouch na to. So hindi ko na siya tinanggalan ng gamit. Like whatever. Para yung literal na essential talaga na kahit hindi ako sa school papunta, dala ko tong pouch na to. And then dito naman sa mas malaki, I have a blotting paper from Clean and Clear. If you're also planning to buy a blotting paper, I suggest ito yung bilhin nyo. Dalawa kasi to. Meron din ako nung isa. Dalawang klase to, which is this one and the pink one. Pero yung pink is scented, may amoy siya. And this one, it's just a normal one, unscented ganyan. And I think this is mas better kasi since dinadab natin siya sa face and it's malapit sa eye, so it's better if unscented talaga. So, pero kayo, if okay din naman yung pink, medyo matapang lang yung amoy niya, pero mabango naman. Well, if you're like high tole kayo sa mga scents or sa mga fragrances, I think you're gonna be fine. Then I have an extra ponytail. And then last is I have a Ortho Wax as a braces girly. Hindi talaga to pwedeng mawawala kasi Lalo na kapag yung like, malapit na talaga siya sa gums. Talagang aaray at aaray talaga ako. Kaya, actually, I have one here. Kaya kailangan ko nang bumalik sa dentist ASAP. ASAP? ASAP? As soon as possible. Bago mag-start talaga yung school year. Kasi, June na din naman ako. Plus, yes. Okay, so that's what I have for this pouch. Last, I only have 2 things here. Last thing I have here is my perfume. This is Fields at Nightfall. This is from Zara. Ito yung maliit na version nila. And sa totoo lang, nung unang inamoy ko to sa mga testers, I really fell in love with it. That I already bought it. How I wish na I got the bigger one. Plus, naka-sale sila nung nakaraan because of the mid-year sale. Ayun. I don't know if until now, pero probably bumalik na yun sa original price. I think I got this size for 695 pesos. Yan. Pero, as I said sa intro, this is an incomplete edition kasi may mga supplies ako na hindi ko pa on hand. Hindi pa siya dumadating. I am not planning to bring this whole thing kasi dagdag bigat siya. Though maliit lang naman yung nasasakop niya na space, I am planning to transfer this sa mga refillable na yung travel size na container. I'm gonna show you. Hindi pa kasi siya dumadating sa akin, pero yes. I bought a portable perfume bottle. Yung ganito. Ayan. Pero hindi pa siya dumadating. So, for now, ito pa yung nakalagay sa bag. Whenever umaalis ako, ito din yung laging dala ko because it's giving that fresh floral scent na hindi masakit sa ilong. Kasi sensitive ako pagdating sa mga fragrances as well. So, hindi ako pwede sa matatapang. So, ayan. That's all for the smallest compartment. Let's proceed naman dito sa middle compartment. Wala pang masyadong makikita sa labas ng bag ko. Like, plain lang talaga siya kasi wala naman akong ilalagay. So, let's proceed to the middle compartment. So, here there is yung pinaka main compartment and then dalawang pocket sa gilid and then how do I show you guys? Then, etong side na to, yung sa opening mismo. So, meron tong 1, 2, 3, 4 compartment na talagang perfect yung nalalaman yung mga gamit ko. So, simulan muna natin dito sa may zipper. So, first, I have a comb and a portable mirror. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, malalaman nyo kung ano yung favorite color ko kapag ka napanood nyo pa hanggang dulo. So, hintayin nyo lang talaga. So, ayan. And then, I have a lippy. This is from Kiko Melalan. This is in the shade 120. This is their unlimited double touch. So, ayan. Dito ko siya nilalagay sa main compartment. Nakahiwalay pa yung kikay kit ko. Kasi ito yung madaling kunin. So, talagang may mga essentials ako na nakahiwalay for some reasons. So, ayan. Para easy retouch lang. And then, next, here, dito sa may parang next to the zipper is, I have my power bank. This is from Anchor. Yan, hindi ako pwedeng nawawalan ng power bank. Lalo na minsan I stay up in school ng hanggang past 5 p.m. So, dapat talaga lagi ako may power bank. And aside from power bank, nagdadala talaga ako ng charger. And then, next, I have my wallet. This is from Charles & Keith. Yan. I really like kung gaano kadaming gamit yung nalalagay ko sa bag na to. Tapos, hindi pa siya nagiging super bulky unless may dala ako na very, bulky in size. So, next is dito pa rin tayo sa bungad. I have 2 products again. So, ito yung isa kong sinasabi na blotting paper in pink. And then, I have a lip gloss. Hindi siya lip tint. So, lip gloss na lang. Yeah, this is from Romand. This is in the shade 18 Mulled Peach. So, since kakalagay ko lang ng Kiko Milano dito. And since nandito na si Kiko Milano, ibabalik ko na to sa Kikay Kit ko. Pero, mamaya ko na gagawin yun. And then, lastly, for this side, I have a nail clipper. For some reasons, hindi ko alam kung ba't may nail clipper ako. Hindi. I think, nilagay ko to dito last year kasi kapag ka merong checking ng nails, hindi mo alam kung kailan yon. Pero usually naman every start of the week yan. Tapos hindi ko namamalayan na minsan nakakalimutan kong papasok na naman ako. Tapos hindi ako nakapag-cut. So ginagawa ko siya. So ayun, dapat talagang well-maintained ang ating nails. Since pasok na naman, I'll be saying goodbye to these nails. Okay, next dito sa dalawang pocket. First is I have my pencil case, which is, this is from Miniso. Kita nyo naman, tulips. Mahina ako sa tulips at mahina ako sa color pink. So, nilagyan ko din siya dito ng terno niyang tulip keychain. By the way, I'll try to link my supplies on the description box below if ever it's possible to do so. So, check the description box below. Next is I have my scientific calculator. This is from Casio. This is the FX991EX Class Wiz. So, ito, gamit na gamit talaga to as an ABM girly. I mean, kahit naman hindi ka ABM, mapa-STEM or ano ka, kasi magagamit nyo naman to in general math subjects. So, yes. Then, next I have is my portable fan from Jisoo Life. Kita nyo naman kung anong kulay. Syempre, pink din. I'm a certified pink girly, guys. Except that I'm not wearing pink. Pero yan. Ngayong summer, gamit ko din to kasi grabe ang tindi ng init sa Pilipinas. So, para akong nanghihina kapag wala akong dalang mini fan. And also, this will be very helpful whenever lumalabas ako pag lumalabas kami ng classroom. For example, we're going to an open space, ganon. Tas, ang tindi ng init and sometimes hindi kaya ng fans and aircons. Lalo na kapag malaki talaga yung place, diba? So, hindi naman pwedeng powder lang, retouch lang. Dapat may pa din, source of air pa din. So, I have this and bit ko to kahit nasan ako. Just because it's already an essential for me. So, ayan. The next thing I have is my notebook binder notebook. Ayan. So, this is a new one. Ayan. Wala pang sulat yan. Pinersonalize ko lang to by sticking my name. And then, yung labas as well. Dinikitan ko siya ng mga stickers. Mga sticker gems. And then, this divider, I just reused this from my old binder. Then, this as well, I bought this separately from SM Stationery and as well as the whole binder itself. So, I'm very excited to use this kasi ever since online class, ever since nag-start yung pandemic, talagang nag-switch na ako sa binder kasi mas convenient siya. And hindi naman din, I don't think na mahihirapan ako kasi hindi naman kami pinagpapasa ng notebooks. So, ayan. And then, next thing I have here is also a personalized one, which is my file case na dinikitan ko lang din siya ng pangalan ko din. Files, then I put some gem stickers and yung stickers talaga. So, dito sa loob, nandito yung mga papers ko. Like, ayan, I have a 1/4, I have a 1/2, and I have an intermediate pad, and then I have here a bunch of yellow pad papers. Hindi ko dinala yung buong yellow pad ko para hindi din siya super mabigat. So, kumuha na lang ako ng ilang peraso, then refill na lang every time. So, ayan. So, I'm also gonna include here my journal notebook na inaayos ko pa, kaya hindi ko pa, I'm like currently in the process of doing my journal, finishing my doing my journal entries before my summer break ends, kaya hindi ko pa siya nilalagay dito, but I'm sure that I'll be bringing it with me kapag pumapasok ako. So, for the last compartment I have here is my 2 kits. I have here my Kikay kit, and I have here my sanitary kit. Oops, baliktad. So, I have 2 kits. So, I'll tour you guys dito muna sa aking sanitary kit. Again, incomplete. So, first, I have some extra masks. I have some sanitary pads. I have a antibacterial wipes. And then, I have my sa mahihiluhin girly, hindi to pwedeng mawala sa akin, my white flower oil. And dahil may wipes ako, meron din ako ditong tissue na very maliit lang. I have my toothpaste. I also have a travel size toothbrush, pero nasa kabilang kit siya kasi secret. And then I have a breast mist, and then I have a few medicines here na tatanggalin ko sa kit na to kapag dumating na yung organizer ko ng medicines. And then I also have an inhaler na hindi pa dumadating kasi wala na yung inhaler ko from last year, and hindi pa ako bumibili ulit. So I need to purchase that. Mas convenient kasi sa akin yung inhaler na ginagamit ko kasi sa white flower, kasi may ano na siya, like 2-in-1 na siya. So hindi na ako mahihirapan. And then next, for my Kikay kit, I don't bring a lot, but ito yung mga dinadala ko. First is my brow pencil. I have a bunch of lippies. Ayan, so magtatanggal ako dito for sure kasi naglagay nga ako nung Kiko Milano. So, may tatanggalin ako dito, either of these 2. Next, I have my powder for retouch. And then, I have my blush from Chuchu Beauty. And then, I have a concealer. And then, skin tint from BLK. So meron pa. I have a lip liner from Detail Cosmetics. So far, yan lang naman yung laman ng aking Kikay kit dahil wala naman akong masyadong kailangan. Like, yan lang talaga yung pang retouch ko, literal. And then, I'm gonna include some travel size brush for my blush. Ayun. Bakit naman kasi nakakabulol, diba? And then, meron dito ang compartment for laptop, which is I have my laptop right here that I am currently using. So, hindi ko pa siya nilalagay dito kasi I'm in the process of working. May pinagtatrabahuhan ako, guys. Also, I'm also gonna put here sa pinakalikod yung iPad ko, which is I am using for vlogging. So, I think that's all. And then, I just bring my tumbler with me. Like, hawak-hawak ko lang siya kasi hindi siya kasya dito sa mga pockets na nasa bag. Hindi siya kasya sa side pockets ng bag ko. So, my tumbler is Aqua Flask in 22 ounce and ballerina pink. So, I think that's all. And kulang na lang talaga sa akin is yung organizers ko for my medicines, my inhaler, and ayun lang. Yun na lang naman talaga yung kulang nothing much, and some few organizers pa. Since naayos ko na talagang nag-prepare ako beforehand. Since 1 week na lang. My classes will start in July 15, pero may mga on-site may mga on-site ganaps na ako as a core member. So, ayan. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye! Thank you for watching!